elevated to its full potential. The world's first and only smart farm for Pyeongpool, introducing the first of its kind, Giant Pyeongpool. Infused with Jeju Lava Energy Water, a powerhouse of intense hydration and radiant vitality. Experience the legendary glow and lifting effect of K-Beauty. Experience the difference, a difference you'll love. The all-new Insulter, Rimmon.
Pakalat-kalat sila dyan. Okay? Why is this important? Because of the nanoliposomal technology. Yung mga particles ngayon, dahil ang liliit nila, tapos uniform lahat sila, ngayon, pag pumasok sila sa skin mo, yung iba pupunta sa skin cells, yung iba pupunta sa dermis, yung iba aayusin yung nasa ibabaw ng skin mo. So, dahil alam nila, matalino sila eh. So, dahil, sana all. Di ba, matalino sila. So, it will really go to where it's needed. Okay? So, kaya ito ang favorite ko dyan. Kasi kahit na ang gaganda ng ingredients na ipaglalagay mo sa product mo, pero kung wala kang incense, sorry. Di ba? Kita na lang tayo next year, mas maganda na yung balat ko kaysa sa'yo. Yun na yun. So, you like booster? Okay, so booster, you spray the booster to enrich your skin with intense hydration. So, space, I call it the Busebu method. I like to say it's a method because you cannot skip it, you cannot separate it, it has to be done the proper way. So, booster first, and then we will go to serum. So, now you can apply the booster generously. My tip is, when you apply the booster, don't apply it afar. Kasi, when you apply it from afar, the spray will just go to the air. Nagiging mist siya, diba? So, it will go to the air. Sayang yung product. So, spray can actually fill the gap. So, yung mga lines, yung mga lakan, yung mga 11 mo dito, yung equal mo dito, diba? Lahat na. Equal, 11, diba? Lahat yun. Lahat yun, lalamanan ni serum para mag-flatten na siya. Okay? So that's why, what I do with serum is, dito sabi, after the booster, apply 45 drops of the serum to nourish your skin with powerful actives. For me, personally, my tip is, pag binuksan mo yung product, di ba, yung packaging natin, it goes up yung dropper suction niya, no? So yung buong suction na nilagay niya sa dropper, yun, buong yun, lahat yun, ilalagay mo sa packaging. Okay. So hindi siya yung 1, 2, 3, 4 na maliliit. Hindi. Yung buong dropper, talagang once na binuksan mo siya, di ba, mag-isasak yung laman. So yung lahat ng laman na yun, ilalagay mo sa face mo sa medyo okay. Yun talaga. Ayun, sumama na. Okay? So, kung meron kayong mga nararamdaman na skin na nag-exfoliate ngayon, kasi kanina hindi na naramdaman yun, ngayon dito lumabas. Because, ibig sabihin, kulang na kulang yung skin mo sa moisture. Kaya ngayon lang siya nag-react.
Second one.
Ngayon lang siya nag-react. So, kulang na kulang siya sa moisture. Sino nakakaalam na ang moisture and hydration are two different things? Ha? So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi natin moisture, ang inilalagay natin is oil. Pag sinabing hydration, water. Okay? So, pag sinabing, dry yung skin mo, o ano kailangan mo?
Hydration.
Hindi, di ba? Pag dry, kailangan mo ng moisture. So, si moisture is equal to oil. Okay. Pagka dehydrated, ang kailangan mo, hydration, right? Hydration is equal to water. Oh, ha? You remember that, ha? Okay. So, nalagay niyo na yung mga serum. Okay, so, another tip is, I prefer, instead of applying it dropping like this, Kasi nag-grab na tayo kay cleansing oil, nag-grab na tayo. Nag-grab din tayo kay powder wash. Tapos kay balancing gel, na ganyan na tayo. So ngayon, ang gusto ko kay serum, pat and dab.
Hindi, ako lang.
Pat and
Lahat
dab.
ako.
Hindi po tapek. Iba ang tapek. Pat and dab. Ganyan lang. I love my cake. I love my cake. Yun ang sasabihin ko sa Yun. Okay? So, not tapek, but the pat and dab. Okay? Next, after this, you can now give it another pass of booster. Okay, balik tayo sa booster. So like what I said, it's a boost method. Okay? Alright, babalik tayo sa booster. Ang tanong nyo, nag-booster na ako kanina. Babalik na naman ako sa booster. Lagit-lagit na. Diba? No, because kanina, hydrate natin siya into its maximum level. Tapos si serum, we nourished it and we gave it its renewal, okay? A chance to transform. Now, you want to rehydrate it in order for it to not lose any transdermal water loss. So you want the water to really saturate. You need it to go all the way into your skin cells.
Kinuha na nila.
Okay, so para pumasok siya hanggang loob.
Pwede mo nang kukuha.
Okay.
Busay-bus siya.
Now, balik tayo sa picture ko.
Serum din.
Ito, this is really dramatic. Okay? Sa 2017, my course is 730, I think. On 2026, my feature count is only 106. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Pores ko. Ladies, no more pores. Woo! Palakpak naman kayo dyan. Kasi na-achieve ko yun. Diba? Dapat in 9 years, you know, the 9 years difference from 2017 to 2026, di ba dapat yung pores ko? Kasi ibig sabihin, ang lalaki na ng course ko, 2017. Pero imbis na lalo siyang lumaki, in 6 months yung sabihan, lumiit siya significantly, 106, halos mawala na. Hello! Sino dito ang gusto ng baby skin? No rubbing para walang friction sa skin, no spreading, only pat and dab. Okay? So you need to put yes, pat and dab. I love my skin. I love my skin. Ganyan. Okay, so pat and dab. Because you avoid unnecessary frictions that's gonna happen on top of your skin. You don't want any unnecessary friction anymore. Okay. Wow, good job. Pat.
Pero pag nagmamadali ka, mag-busay mo ka lang. Or ako, yung sunscreen, yun lang. Kung wala talagang time, sunscreen
Mapapansin nyo, si Pat and yung dab. Okay. Mapapansin nyo,
Pero pag wala talagang time, sunscreen lang ang kaya ko i-accommodate. Okay na ako. Kasi skincare din siya eh. May moisturizer.
Because kumapantay siya, actually, mas pantay ang paglagay mo sa product pagka-cut and dab kesa sa spreading. Kasi yung pag-spread, ano yun eh, nagtitin out yung product. Tapos parang hindi siya pantay-pantay. Okay? So, in this way, pag-cut and dab, you're actually helping the technology that is behind.
Oo. Sayang nagdala sana. Can you add some more?
Okay, so again,
Wrinkles.
so here's my photo that proves that fine lines and wrinkles are really improve when you use Rimmel. Okay, so here in my 2017 photo, the feature count for my wrinkles is at 19. And 2026, the feature count of my wrinkles is only 13. Okay? Amazing! That's right. Amazing. Even I am amazed. Because you know, if you are in my shoes, I have more than 2 decades of experience in the beauty and wellness industry, and I have seen a lot of skincare, you know, being presented to me, you know, they're telling me this is what you can do. Hindi ako nagaling mapaniwala talaga when it comes to skincare. So, but when I tried demand, I was really impressed. Nakita nyo naman, nagpalagay ako kaagad. Nagpa-skin analysis ako kaagad, diba? Okay. So, if there's anything that you will, you must have in your bag, this is the ICD Moisture Layer Sun Protector, SPF 50+, PA+++++. We will break it down.
Grabe, ang dami pala.
Why do we, you know, this
2 hours,
product,
maybe 2 hours.
I have a name for this.
Sanaya.
This product, I call it my skin insurance. Okay? Why, you might say, why is it a skin insurance? Because I spent so much time, I spent so much money buying all the expensive ingredients, hoping that my skin becomes better. But without using the sun protector, everything that you just placed on your skin means nothing.
Nag-moisture sa
Because the reason why you have the issues that you are experiencing right now is because it's either you rush through the sun protection or the sunscreen, or you completely skip it, or you just place a little bit, but not the right amount, or you just forgot to put
pigmentation, damihan mo
sunscreen
dyan.
to it.